Yesterday, I asked you 300 to come up with more verses for Alexander Hamilton too. And by God, you done did it. Go!
Only smoked once or twice.
Alexander dabbled in.
Biggest booty in the world.
Alexander dammy thick.
Where did Burr shoot Hamilton?
In Alexander's abdomen.
All these hateful comments, man, it's Alexander damaging. Yo, what's he do at Christmas time?
Alexander Carolyn.
A relaxed nail month.
Alexander anagram.
Just became the brand new pope.
Alexander Vatican. Starbucks doesn't know his name.
Is there an Alan Hamlin?
Alexander Hamilton. Alexander Hamilton.
Cheated on his wife. Alexander Hamilton.
Oh my God, he talked too much.
Alexander Hamilton.
Holy shit, the condom broke.
Alexander has a kid.
Has a really young face.
Alexander baby chin.
Well, that's a pretty solid line. Alexander Thankerfin. Stealing everybody's knees.
Alexander has me dead.
Started singing for the kids.
The Alexander Bannerin.
But what if he's a skeleton?
Alexander has no skin.
Alex, how'd you like your AIDS?
Alexander scrambling.
My walk is properly cocky, John Helen. How to be a couple, you are not the best guys in the world. Honor me!
He's coming out as black.
Alexander African.
Didn't fire a single gun.
Alexander has solid.
Just fucking villain and I'm a brief.
Alexander Mandarin.
He's 100 years old.
Alexander saggy skin.
Goes to see a therapist.
Alexander management.
Turned into a camel. Now we got Alexander Hamilton. He couldn't hold it in.
Alexander flatulence.
Is he really younger than me?
Alexander has a fin.
Plotting Urban Dictionary.
Alexander fantasy.
California's legalized.
Alexander cannibal.
Worst movie of all time.
Alexander happening.
Was a weirdo all through high school.
Alexander had no friends.
Watched got ruined at the beach.
Alexander Sandwood.
Gonna get hella rich.
Alexander masculine.
Likes a bear from that movie.
Alexander Patterson.
Trying to make another song.
Alexander African.
Alexander Hamilton.
Alexander Hamilton. Million things I haven't done, but kicking ass ain't one of them.